Today, we will continue our journey. We will combine multi-smart money concepts together and use price action to have trades. Of course, we'll be using our superior trading view indicator also. A great education day. If you are good to go, let's start now. I have specially chosen this lovely Nasdaq example to show our momentum strategy can work on all asset classes. As long as the asset rallies or crashes, this is the key part. Again, I'll be using our ICT high time frame candles indicator, basically our base trading view indicator. With this indicator, spotting tradable zones is much easier and quicker for us. When I was watching Nasdaq recently, I noticed this lovely multi-imbalance area. Since Donald Trump announced new 25% tariffs again for the EU and many other countries, US stocks started to struggle a lot. Long-time rally turned into a crash in the recent weeks. You can notice this 4 imbalance step area, 30 and 45 minutes, and 1 and 2 hours all the at time zone. This basically gives the tradable area idea. If you open the 1-minute chart on the left, you'll also notice the exact point of where this multi-level imbalance tab locates. Now, let's zoom into this 1-minute time frame and talk further for other smart money concepts and price action. First thing you can easily notice is the almost perfect support and resistance flip location. Notice how many times price rejecting the same area. This easily tells you about there's so much resistance on this specific price level. If you also draw your Fibonacci, you'll also notice this is the perfect optimal trade entry location with the giant inner 1-minute imbalance. Do all of these remind of you something? This is one of the most essential price action patterns. Strong break after liquidity sweeps, and a pullback to a tradable imbalance area or optimal trade area. This is probably one of the easiest and core setups I was teaching in the free trading course. Now the next question is how to trade this. Once you spot your tradable areas, the rest is actually a waiting game. You need to be patient, waiting for the price action to go in your favor. As you can see, I think the clearest move here is this market structure shift with imbalance right here. I always find price action more messy in Forex and indices compared to crypto. So this could have been a 2-hour great setup with enough large stop to cushion yourself. This is I always advocate. You need to cushion your stop losses. Now our deep target should be this below liquidity line. But notice how the price shakes a lot of people right before reaching the target. I saw this happen probably 1,000 times. Actually, this is why I encourage people to create more compact setups like 2R or similar. When you trade, your aim should be always to get in and out as soon as possible because markets are very cruel and hard to trade nowadays. When you build these gigantic setups like 5R, 10R, you will have to wait in open positions for a really long time. And these cruel markets can stop you out so easily. Well, the only way to avoid all this using MASTERCLASS YOYO like cost average trades. This will reduce your stop losses and increase your win rates. However, cost average techniques have a big side effect. Your profits will be much lower compared to classic RR styling. As you can see, there is always an exchange in trading, and there is no holy grail at all. There is no perfect strategy, there is no perfect risk management, there's nothing perfect in trading actually. It is a hard business. Okay friends, please take care of yourself, have a peaceful weekend. See you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you